love with you. I'm so in love with you.
Hi Capricorn, welcome to your reading, and this is your June 20th and June the 21st of 2020. This is for Capricorn ascendant, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement on their charts. Jupiter may also resonate with the reading. Cross watchers are always welcome. So cross watchers, if I describe someone here and you know that it is not you, please, it's not you. Okay, just because you are connecting with Capricorn, you're gonna assume that whom I am describing here is you. Please don't. Okay, this goes with Capricorn and cross watchers alike. Okay, if the description is a total opposite of you, then this is not you. For those new in this channel, you might want to consider subscribing, for I am always hosting a party online where I do live reading, and you can ask me question. You can still ask me question though, okay? But you just have to fill up a form. Even if it's not live, it's in the description box. If you also want to know your lucky number and lucky color, you can contact me or follow me on Instagram. Capricorn, if you resonate with the reading, congratulations. If you did not resonate with the reading, then come back to the reading after a week or two. Time is fluid. If you resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading, then still congratulations, for I am doing a collective reading. So Capricorn, let's begin with the reading. Capricorn, Nine of Swords and Nine of Cups. So it feels like your wish fulfillment is getting a little rocky, and you're getting a little stressed for not landing all that you planned in your lap. The Fool here, because probably you made a decision run by your emotion, and you felt like this is a wrong decision that you made, and now you're just waiting for someone else's reaction, someone else's you're waiting for your ship to come in. You're waiting for the right timing now, how to make these things comes back to life, right? The Star, you might be connecting with an Aquarius or has an Aquarius placement, or you have an Aquarius placement on your chart, which only makes sense. You might be a cusp, right after Capricorn is Aquarius. You put this person in a pedestal, but of course you're a high priestess here. You're just following your intuition, but let's see where this intuition will go. You wanted to have, let's say, a label in this connection. You're very traditional. You believe in holy matrimony, so probably you wanted to marry this person. You wanted to have a contract. Three of Pentacles were in. Right now, you're studying this connection. You have a lot of, like the Empress, you have a lot of ideas on how to make this connection come to fruition, but as of the moment, you're taking down notes. Knight of Pentacles, because it's not moving. You're a little stressed because you feel like, okay, am I wasting my time here? You might be connecting with a Scorpio, or has a Scorpio placement in your chart, or you have a Scorpio placement on your chart, the Hangman. It feels like, okay, it may be a little rocky right now. It feels like that the situation turns, upside down, but you're not giving up. Three of Pentacles, wherein you wanted to have Sun. This connection is your life, right? Truth will come out here that you might be probably another Three of Pentacles. That only makes sense that you're studying this connection so much, wherein you're, let's say, segregating all the ideas that's not working, the ideas that is working. Let's see what's coming with your plan in this Mercury retrograde. Mercury is run by our mind, the way we deliver things and how we perceive things. Okay, let's check how this goes, but this is your reading, Capricorn. If you resonate with this and you want to go in depth, you can book a personal reading with me. You can contact me at babaylantv@gmail.com. Click the subscribe button and smash that notification bell and comment down below. I'm very interactive. Thank you so much for watching. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you in the next reading. Goodbye.